What's going on, YouTube? How are y'all doing? How are y'all feeling? I hope you guys are feeling great. It's your bro 360 Brown with another 360 wave video for you guys. So last video I was talking about how I'm gonna do a washing style for you guys. This washing style method is updated because we got updated tools to make this washing style even more effective for these waves here, okay? Now when it comes to these waves, yeah, they out of here, they gone, my curls are cupping up a little dry skin here and there, yeah, so, woo, yeah, they out of there. So, let's jump into this washing style to see how we gonna get this back to full 360 again, all right? Pay attention. However, before we get into the washing style, this is what I'm gonna need y'all to do. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button right here. Leave a comment right here, right in this section right here. Subscribe, comment. We got them two down. We got one more. Like right there. Okay, we need you to like right there. Okay, man, I look dirty right here, man. So look, if y'all want this to go back to my waves, please subscribe, comment, and like on that, okay? Because we need this to happen. I'll mess around and just stand here and look at you until you do it, okay? Just keep on fluffing, matter of fact. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing a pick session until y'all hit that subscribe button. Did y'all hit it yet? It didn't look like some of y'all hit it just yet. So I'm gonna just keep on going. Okay, so by now you guys should have already hit those 3 areas right now, okay? I gave y'all more than enough time. Subscribe, comment, like, okay? Let's jump into this washing style.
We got it forever. We got it. Yeah, I'm shining like a diamond forever. We got it forever. We got it. Yeah, I'm shining like a diamond. Yeah, I'm shining like a diamond forever. We got it forever. We got it.
World's waiting on me. I know the world's waiting on me. Yeah. Tell the people that we got them, homie. Yeah. Tell the people that we got them, homie. Yeah. When you gotta be the only one. When you gotta be the only one. That's just how it is. You gotta stick with it. That's just how it is. You gotta live with it. Guess it really wasn't quite enough. Didn't settle for a simple thing. But the music set the people free. Yeah. This is life, dog. You gotta get it. Damn. What's the word if you couldn't feel it? Then we had it from the jump, no beginner's luck. No diamonds necessary, so the music gotta glow. Shining on its own, the success is truly necessary. Coming from a different place, they gotta listen to my story. Back up like I gotta see the better glory. What's the purpose of it all if I don't get to prove it? They want me to compromise like I should hit the jeweler. But f***ing trend, that's just how we gotta look at it. Shit, I'm on, yeah, the stock's going up. Throwing shows now, so they really get a sight to see. Finally took it to the place where we running forever. I know the world's waiting on me. I know the world's waiting on me. Yeah. Tell the people that we got them, homie. Yeah. Tell the people that we got them, homie. Yeah. When you gotta be the only one. When you gotta be the only one. That's just how it is. You gotta stick with it. That's just how it is. You gotta live with it. That's just how it is. You gotta stick with it. That's just how it is. You gotta live with it. That's just how it is. You gotta stick with it. That's just how it is. You gotta live with it. Guess it really wasn't quite enough. Didn't settle for a simple thing. Damn, but the music set the people free. It's the life, dog. Yeah, you gotta get it. Damn.
Forever, we got it. Forever, we got it. Yeah, I'm shining like a diamond. Yeah, I'm shining like a forever. We got it. Forever, we got it. shining like a, yeah, I'm shining like a diamond. Forever, we got it. Forever, we got it. Yeah, I'm shining like a diamond. Yeah, I'm shining like a, forever, we got it. Forever, we got it.
Alright guys, we just finished the washing style. As you can see, my hair is nice and wet. Still have to let it dry for 3 hours, as you saw in that little previous snip that I just had. So after letting it dry for 3 hours, I'm gonna come back and show you guys exactly how the results look without adding any product after that, just so you can guys see what it looks like straight from unragging it after 3 hours. All right guys, it's been well over past 3 hours for this drying for this washing style. So let's go ahead and unrag to see how this looks. Alright guys, that is the final result of this washing style, and I'm actually pretty satisfied about how it came out with. Even though I definitely need a lineup for real, because it's getting pretty bad on the edge up here. But that lineup is besides the point. The point is, it actually turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty decent there. Not my best one, but it came out really good from my personal opinion. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the results of this washing style and how your results were, and we'll definitely take a look at those. Okay, you already know I'll respond right back to you. Okay, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and leave a comment, because you know I'm gonna respond to you. That's what I always do, no matter how little this YouTube channel is or how big it gets. I'm always going to respond to every single one of you guys. Okay, take time out of my day to respond to you. Okay, last thing you need to do is also hit that like button right on this side of the video, right here, this one, that one right there. Hit that like button right there. We are very close to 100 subscribers. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my personal YouTube channel with this 360 wave journey that I'm on. Okay, so continue to support the page, like, share it, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do to get this channel up. Do what you need to do. All right, because I'm counting on all of y'all. Okay, I can only count on myself so much. I need help. I need y'all's help. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, showing me the love, support, watching this video. Hopefully you guys watched it all the way through to see all the results. I will see you on the next video. Okay, keep on spinning. I'm out.